Hi, this is Michael Doctorman, and I want to talk about equipment breakdown coverage for a moment. A lot of people don't understand what this coverage is. There's two ways that equipment breakdown can be added to your manufacturing policy. It can either be a monoline standalone policy that has all of its own limits and its own deductibles and its own causes of loss, and those are named perils, those are named causes. Or the other way it can be added is to add equipment breakdown as an additional type of loss to your property form, which then gives you all of the coverages that are in your property form as part of your equipment breakdown. But in either case, equipment breakdown does more than just cover your production equipment. Equipment breakdown covers your entire infrastructure in your building, your electric panels, your electrical infrastructure that runs all through the building. Something like a lightning strike can literally fry the entire infrastructure, modems, low voltage lines, you name it, it'll get them all. So long story short, equipment breakdown, although it's an additional cost to your policy, is an extremely important coverage. False arc of electricity takes out a spindle, takes out a controller. You'll quickly understand why spending a few $1,000s on equipment breakdown was worth the money.